Sometimes you need to pass data between two screens when you navigate between them. How to do this? We got a hook called useRoute. Let's go, for example, for gold screen. Let's imagine that we want to navigate from tomato screen to gold screen. So let's go to our gold screen and import our hook is called useRoute. We can import it from React Navigation Native, okay? And let's see how useRoute can help us. The useRoute hook is used to access the route information of a particular screen and also to pass data between them. So if we see inside this object, we're gonna notice we have here name and params. Name here is the name of the screen. So let me log this name and also let's log our params. Let's press save and see. But first we want to go to gold screen. So when we go to gold screen, look, we got here two logs. The first log is the name. The name is gold screen. So if you want to do specific thing depend on the route name or the screen name, you can use the name that you can access from useRoute object that return our object with name and params. And the params here is undefined because we didn't pass any data when we navigate. So let's pass a data. So let's go to tomato screen and add two texts. The first text is name Ahmed, and let's add another one with name Sawi. When we press on this text, on press, let's go to gold screen and let's copy this on press 2 to another text down here. So now we got two texts here, name Ahmed and Sawi. Okay, I pass this name, Ahmed name, and when I press on Sawi, I pass the Sawi name as param. How to do this? That's easy. Inside this navigation.navigate, you can just add a comma here and add another object. Inside this object, you can add any data that you want. For example, name is Ahmed and press save. And let's add it here. Now, name is Sawi. Now let's press save and see what we get in the log in gold screen. When we press on Ahmed, look, we are in gold screen and the name is Ahmed. When we go back and press on Sawi, look, we are in gold screen and the name is Sawi. So we can here add a text in our gold screen and type in it hello and add the name. We can access the name using the params. So this param object dot name, and let's press save. Now let's see what happened. We got here hello Sawi. When we go back and press on name Ahmed, we get hello Ahmed. Let's try one more time. Hello Sawi, and the name here is Sawi. So with useRoute hook, you can get those two features. Feature 1, accessing the route parameters. You can retrieve any parameters passed when navigating to the current screen. Okay? And another feature is retrieving the screen specific name of the current route. So this useRoute hook is very helpful.